laundry, washing machine. Washing machine. 야, 너 3K인데? 아?
3199.
This is washing machine?
Ano rin na day? Mga dryer mo natin. Ay, dryer mo.
Dryer. This one. Oh, this one not washing machine.
Ang mga washing machine. Ay, nasa ba?
아.
Apa yang mereka ada, weh? 3 kilo, weh? Hah? Winter? Winter na? 3 kilo nga itong single. 3... Kuan, ma'am? 3.7 to. Okay ra ninyo, ma'am. Kuan. Ugma makuha, ma'am. Nasa ubos? Nasa ubos, ba? Ano ko na ba? Amo lang taon sa exhibit, ma'am, ha? Pwede na mga ito.
Wait.
100.
아.
Okay, kana lang.
Yan na lang siya. Amerika.
No Christmas sale discount?
This is already discounted, sir. From 5,000 down to 4,600. Natay 4,300 ano, single to siya, ma'am.
아.
Umba ko sa
Naa dito sa ubos, pwede natin pasaka dito.
Ah, sige,
Nasa
tama na.
ito lang.
single.
Saka to bay. Itong pink. Itong pink.
This one quality is okay?
Yeah, it's okay, Eureka.
It's crystal. Mom want to single or like that? Oh. This one okay? This one lang.
This is the unit, sir.
Ah, good.
This one is 1 year warranty, parts and service.
아.
Gamitan doon yung bukod din.
시.
Details.
아.
How about the payment, sir? This is cash or card?
Card.
Ma'am, name, address, contact number lang, ma'am. Ano mo pa ginawa?
Isangganim, kamsahamnida.
So I 4,385.
아. How are you feeling?
Happy.
Just happy.
More statement.
More statement.
Please explain your reaction, your feeling, emotion. Asa ta next ning ninyo ang sa ganin nga clothes no? Nas pinakataas. Let's go to clothes. Need clothes, right? Clothes and all clothes. Hi, Hannah. Okay, let's go. Get mo gatong ko na. Get. Okay ra bitaw ka? Sure? Yes. Katoraman ka ang kailangan. About it. Okay, walay taon din na ba bumagod. Mo gani kapoy kay. Ako pa assignment tanan na puno may kabuo.
Hi guys, we're at clothes station.
So we're here to make some clothes for our Christmas party.
Yay.
Yes. So come with us.
Come. Let's go. Let's go, everyone. Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know yet? Try to check what clothes do you like.
Undecided.
That's nice, oh. Pero, ang sarap niya, dress mo sa Christmas party.
Ano yung mga tiyo? Ako yung beans na kami. Ataka kayo.
Ah. Wow, how about Hannah? What do you like, Hannah? Black? Or no? Do you like it? Yay, okay, let's go. Next. Ganon si J-Rag top. How about Liza? That one?
Para sa kong fan.
Ah, sister? Brown? What's that? Dress? Ah, like that. Top. So cute. Nice. Nice. Try to check. Nice. Kala na lang. Yay, na siya dress. Ito daw. Wow, you like that? Ha? Kana may mo sa ninaon? Dili ka mag-dress, you don't like dress? Merry Christmas, everyone. Done ka? Mana ka? You done? How about you, bra? Dito, there ba? Or underwear? What do you need? Why do you need that?
For sleeping.
Sleeping? What do you like? Wait, want to sa ubos because we'll buy sandal niya, then use school shoes. And then, how about Asas Liza? So you will prepare for Christmas. What food do you prepare? Like ham?
Gulaman?
What?
Kita ti? Mango flour. Spaghetti. Spaghetti na lang. Ako luto.
How about you, Hannah? Christmas. Do you have fun? Do you have plans?
Salad.
Salad? Ah, okay. Nice salad ito. Let's go na ta. Ask Liza. Asa Liza? Tara day. Let's go na. Dito sa ubos ta. Palit mo shoes. Shoes, sandal. Then school shoes. And then Marian rubber shoes. Liza. Okay, let's go! Dito sa second floor.
Cute ang green. Mas feel ako ang brown. Ay, di man bagay sa personality ni Fiona. Oh, personality.
Green flag po na Fiona.
Di, pero di, ang personality ni Fiona ba? No, dirt. I feel ako hugaw ang brown. Mara na siya.
Ako, dali pa mahugaw ang kani.
Hey, what do you want?
Jenny. BTS.
Hello, si Jenny. Katag na. Jenny na lang na, day. Sige, day. Ako niya niya siya.
I want to buy this for my niece, but I think she will not. Yeah. Sir, please check, sir. 6,869.85.
You bring?
Yeah.
Why they don't delivery?
Delivery, how much delivery then?
Huh?
How much delivery?
Oh my god. She bring?
Yeah, but fair na lang. Gaya na siya pang fair. Pakyaw ba? One tricycle. Baka na to karon.
Huh? Huh? Ang go first. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Abing, abing. I need a diaper.
For Eliza's brother? Eliza's.
Eliza. That's Eliza.
So,
Why?
ito. Dara, Jaira! So, Jaira, what do you get for your groceries? Explain it. Why do you get that? Because, yes, it's very important. Because it's very important. Yeah, in our family says that this groceries was very important to her to.
That's not groceries.
This one, pardon. Go. So explain why do you buy this one, this, buy it. Because chicken nuggets is my favorite. And she said that she bought the
The
bumpers for
For your cousin?
my baby sister.
You have baby?
Sister.
Baby.
Soap for our daily washing. Daily washing.
Washing?
Bath.
Washing machine?
For our bathing. This is the washing.
Laundry.
For clothes. That's okay.
Done? Go calculate. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.